Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss elementary data types used for the Siemens PLCs. First one is the Boolean. Boolean data is 0 and 1. 0 to 1 is its range. The second one is the byte. It is the unsigned byte, has the range from 0 to 255, a total number of 256. It means that 0 to 2 raised to power 8 minus 1 is its range. The third one is the word type. Word is the data type which is unsigned integer. It ranges from 0 to 2 raised to power 16 minus 1. 0 to 65,535. This one is its range. And the fourth one is the integer data type. It is also signed integer. Signed means it has its value in plus and minus 2, and unsigned means that it has only its value in plus. It does not have its value in the minus range. And this is also true for byte. It is unsigned. It means it has its value in the plus 0 to 255. So integer is a data type which is signed integer. It ranges from minus 2 raised to power 15 to plus 2 raised to power 15 minus 1. It means that 32,768 to plus 32,767 is its range. Double word is also unsigned double integer. 0 to 2 raised to power 32 minus 1 is its range. And double integer is also signed double integer. It is signed one. It means that it has its value in minus and plus 2. Its value ranges from minus 2 raised to power 13 to plus 2 raised to power 31 minus 1. And the last one is the real. Real is the data type. In IEEE, it has 32-bit floating point. It has 32-bit floating point, and it is also signed. It means that minus 10 raised to power 38 to plus 10 minus 10 raised to power 38 to plus 10 raised to power 38 is its range. So these are different kinds of data types that we will use in the programming for Siemens PLCs. And here are some data memories. Size determined data types for SIMATIC global symbols. These are different kinds of this is I think V memory. For example, these are the V memory and different kinds of data assigned equivalent data type. The value, the selected memory, if V 0.0, then it can occupy the Boolean data type. If it is V B0, it means that it can occupy the byte numbers too. It is used for the byte numbers. When it is VW0, then it is used for word and integer. Both words and integers can be occupied with this memory. VD0, it means that double word, double integer and real numbers can be used with this type of memory location. So this is memory locations, and these are its assigned data types. As we have already discussed, Boolean, byte, word, double word, integer, real, double integer numbers. So these are the different kinds of memories which are assigned for the different kinds of data types. So it is very necessary to understand that what are different kinds of data types and what kind of memories are used for the assigned equivalent data types. Thank you so much for watching this video.